Ladies and gentlemen, after creating our table with some data, as you see, student names and their marks, we need now to save our data. Right, so what you should do just now is just to click on file icon here, this one, do you see? You click on file icon, you come and click on save as here, did you see? You click on it, then you will ask it to browse or just to select a folder where you are going to save your Excel document. You click on browse so that you can select a folder here. Let us save it in desktop, do you see? Then you can just write data analysis, just data 1, for example. This is the name of our file, and here, as you see, it's saved as Excel workbook, right? So you click on save icon here and you wait a little bit to mean that now it's already saved. Once close it completely here, we close it. Let us close everything here. You see our document, our Excel sheet is already saved here in our desktop. Once we want to open it again, you just make double click on it and wait a little bit. Do you see? This is our document. So thank you so much. This is how you can save your Excel document so that you can avoid losing your data.